Hello YouTube, this is Cover Arzello making my vlog video. So today I drew a bird. Yeah, I only worked like 4 hours on it. I kind of just wanted to draw it for a meme that I'm gonna be making, which I'm gonna post links down to the description if you guys want to check it out. So yeah, my next picture that I'm working on though is probably gonna take me a little while. It's Harley. This is how far I got on it so far. This is Harley's side when she's like before, well, when she did meet the Joker, and her side before she met the Joker. I'm gonna draw like landscapes in the back of Gotham City and the asylum between behind them. So yeah, I'll explain more about that when I finish it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.